A lot of people are holding crypto the wrong way. They buy coins, leave them sitting there and make absolutely nothing while waiting for the market to move. What if I told you that on Bybit, you can now use the DCA bot and earn passive yield at the same time? And right now, there's even a campaign where users can earn up to 150% APR boost just for participating. This is called the DCA Yield Boost Campaign, and you are seriously sleeping on it. So let me show you exactly how this works in simple terms. First of all, what is DCA? DCA simply means dollar cost averaging. Instead of buying crypto one time and risking entering at the wrong price, the DCA bot automatically buys small amounts for you over time. For example, instead of putting $1,000 into Bitcoin at once, you can tell the bot, buy $20 worth of Bitcoin every day. This helps you reduce emotional trading and helps you avoid buying at the top, most especially for those who are beginners. Now, here's the crazy part. Bybit recently added flexible savings to the DCA bot, meaning while your funds are waiting to buy crypto automatically, your unused funds can still generate passive earnings for you. So now your money is doing two jobs: buying crypto automatically and generating extra yield while waiting for the next buy. That's literally smarter investing. Here's how to activate it on Bybit. If you don't have a Bybit account already, you can use the link in the video description or the link in my bio to sign up for a Bybit account. Now, once you sign up for an account, I'm going to walk you step by step on how to do this using the Bybit mobile app. So open your mobile app, and here on your mobile app, go ahead and click on More. Once you click on More, you want to scroll down to the section where it says Trade. And here on Trade, go to Trading Bot. Once you click on Trading Bot, click on DCA Bot. Now create a new DCA bot. Turn on flexible savings during your setup and go ahead and click on Confirm to launch the bot. Once you enable this, supported asset held in the bot now automatically start generating yields for you. And in the process of setting up this, you can decide to tell the bot to buy as much as you want or as often as you want. And this could be buying daily, let's say $10 daily, buying a particular crypto asset for $50 daily, and it goes on. Now, just like I said earlier, this is very important. Make sure you enable the flexible savings option. This is the feature that allows your idle stable funds to earn yield while waiting for the next automatic buy. And now, the best part, Bybit is currently running the DCA Yield Boost Campaign. Users who join can earn up to 150% APR boost reward. So not only are you building your crypto portfolio automatically, you're also getting boosted earning. This is honestly one of the easiest ways for beginners to start investing in crypto without needing trading skills. No chart stress, no emotional buying, just automate it and let the system work for you. No sitting all day washing candles. If you want to join, check the link in my bio or the link in the video description and go learn more about the Bybit DCA bot and how best to use it. And make sure you join us on Telegram for all the free resources that we have to share. Like, subscribe, and follow me for more beginner-friendly crypto and passive income strategies like this. And above all, share this with a friend.